Want a cashback card that adapts to your spending? Well, here's how to apply for the Bank of America customized cash card. We'll head to Bank of America's website and locate the customized cash card. We'll tap apply now to start. Enter your personal information, full name, address, social security number, income, employment, and housing details. Double check everything before submitting. Know the rewards. You'll earn 3% cash back in the category where you spend the most each billing cycle. Like gas, online shopping, dining, traveling, up to $2,500 in combined purchases each quarter. After that, you'll get 1% back on everything else. Plus, there is no annual fee, and your cashback automatically transfers into a linked Bank of America's checking or saving account. Submit your application. Most people get an instant decision. If you have yours approved, your card arrives in the mail within a few days, and you can activate it and start earning. Well, that said, it's really simple, it's flexible, it's designed to match your lifestyle. And if this helped, we'll drop a like and leave your questions in the comments and subscribe for more short guides.